and become one with the flavors of these amazing ingredients we have just added. Welcome back guys, today we are cooking Italian Inspired Sauteed Asparagus. For all of you guys who are new to Puttanesca, it has all the goodness of anchovies, capers, chillies, garlic and extra virgin olive oil. I know some of you guys may have some reservations about using anchovies, but this recipe is designed such a way that anchovies are going to completely disintegrate into the oil and will sort of lend a flavor to the oil. And together with the chopped garlic, it is sort of going to form this perfect marriage that leaves you wondering where the umami is coming from. Before getting my hands wet with anchovies and capers, I'm first prepping the asparagus. Make sure to check out our video on all you need to know about asparagus. I'm cutting the stalks of asparagus on bias or diagonally. This style of cutting would make our stir fry look slightly gourmet. I'm mincing the anchovies and capers together. And then adding garlic to mince further. And finally, mixing some aromatic red chili flakes to the minced ingredients. The preparation is this simple. Let's start cooking. I'm using a wok, adding extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm adding the minced mixture that I had prepared. Giving it a good stir. I'm letting it sit for 1 minute. And then I'm adding my asparagus. The idea is to cook the stalks in blasting heat for a few minutes, letting the anchovies and capers disintegrate. I'm also looking for the asparagus to completely absorb the sauce and become one with the flavors of these amazing ingredients we have just added. You may want to check for salt before adding any, because the capers and preserved anchovies are already salty. After 4 to 5 minutes, the stir fry is ready. This is ready, guys. Smells delicious. Let's give this a try.
Alright, can I come give this a try?
Yeah. So this is Puttanesca inspired asparagus.
This looks so good.
Yeah. Take some of those crumbles, that's gold.
It's a bit salty. It's perfectly hot. I think you were absolutely right. All that umami you were talking about, I can taste it here.
Yes. All right, that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Happy cooking.